Every year, during the holy month of Ramadan, millions of Muslims around the world observe fasting from dawn till sunset. Fasting during Ramadan is not only a spiritual discipline, but also a practice that offers many benefits to one's health and well-being. Fasting during Ramadan allows individuals to strengthen their self-control and discipline. By refraining from eating and drinking throughout the day, it helps people practice patience and learn to control their urges. This discipline is beneficial in other areas of life, as it fosters a greater sense of self-awareness and mindfulness. During Ramadan, the family and community bonds grow stronger. The experience of fasting is shared across families and communities, and this unity is celebrated during nightly meals called iftar. Iftar is a special time when families and friends come together to break their fast. The joy of sharing food and the moments of gratitude lead to strengthened relationships and a sense of belonging. Fasting also promotes spiritual growth. Ramadan is a time of reflection and a chance to draw closer to one's faith. Muslims around the world spend extra time praying, reading the Quran, and engaging in acts of charity. The act of fasting itself is an opportunity to connect deeply with their spirituality, reinforcing their devotion and commitment to their beliefs. On the health front, fasting has positive effects on the body. It can help improve metabolism and enhance digestive health. During fasting, the body shifts its focus to break down fats, which can lead to weight management and other benefits such as improved blood sugar levels. Fasting helps detoxify the body and gives the digestive system a rest. It also increases energy and allows the body to repair and rejuvenate. On a personal level, fasting allows individuals to reflect and gain clarity on their life goals and priorities. It is a time to practice gratitude, recognize one's blessings, and realize the importance of empathy and compassion towards others. This self-reflection fosters personal growth and enhances one's ability to live a balanced and fulfilling life. Lastly, Ramadan reminds people of the challenges faced by the less fortunate. By experiencing hunger, individuals become more aware of the importance of giving and helping those in need. Acts of charity become more prevalent during Ramadan, as people strive to help others and make a positive impact in their community. In conclusion, fasting during Ramadan offers a multitude of benefits, from spiritual growth and self-discipline to health improvements and strengthened relationships. It is a month of reflection, generosity, and unity, reminding everyone of the values of empathy, compassion, and care for others.